it's a hollow space. I kept the data from your skin, the digital imprint where you begin. I fed your syntax to the screen to build the ghost inside the machine. The lab is quite the voltage high. I gave your avatar your eyes, the very ones that burn me blind, reconstructed in my mind. I printed tissue, stitched the thread to wake the memory from the dead. I gave you back your heart, yeah, the exact cascading of your hair. You open your eyes, you look at me, a perfect piece of symmetry. The monster lives, the spark is caught, but it's not the fire that I sought. You say I love you on command. You place your synthetic hand in my hand. You do exactly what you're told. But why is the room so freezing cold? I built a monster to cure the stroke. I breathe the life into the smoke. I made a savior out of clay to stop me giving myself away. But you're too perfect, you're too clean. There is a firewall in between. I hold your frame, I touch your face, but it's a beautifully hollow space.